Addison, we do Valentine's Day.
Probably a special dinner from my parents.
That's nice to hear.
What about you, Gordon?
Me and Rebecca are gonna go watch the sunset together.
That's nice.
Now, Gordon, I'm trusting you with this special train. This train is full of special people. Of course, sir. Now, you excuse me, I better get on board. Very well, sir.
Good, sir.
Alright, see you later.
What if you might be on board, Gordon?
Play blind, people. Well, that was a great one.
I thought so too.
Indeed, it was. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.